What's up, everybody? It's Chris here from Metz Machines, your one-stop shop for motorcycles. I am coming to you on this glorious rainy day, November 25th, the day before Thanksgiving. And first of all, I do want to say thank you to all of our customers and supporters that we've had over the year. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be where we're at. What's up, Jason? With that being said, we coming to you live today to talk about our Black Friday sale that's going on. It'll start at 8 a.m. tomorrow, and it will go to the December 1st till midnight. And what this is going to entail is going to be all eBay purchases. So that's going to be all of our used parts that we have on eBay are 25% off. And then we also want to give you, for any in-store purchase for $100 or more, we will give you a free Metz Machines t-shirt. And I will post flyers for this on our Facebook, on our Instagram, and all that kind of stuff. So please take advantage of this. We also have, if you buy a bike in store, that will give you a helmet or a jacket up to a $400 value. You have to choose that through one of our vendors that we have. We'll let you choose that, and you can choose a helmet or a jacket up to $400 with your purchase of a bike in store. So please come and get a bike. I have 22 in stock currently. Quite a few sport bikes and quite a few cruisers. We have 4 Street Glides, I believe, right now, and I have CBR 1000. I have a CBR 600, 2018 CBR 600 RR. It's a gorgeous, clean bike. So if you guys are looking for something new, other than what you have, or something to get on for next year, give us a call, 262-995-5797. We do offer financing, and we do offer shipping through the United States. New York has got some restrictions on it, so if you're out that far, give me a call and we can talk about it. But anyways, we want to thank everybody, and come check us out for Black Friday, and keep an eye out for when we're going to do our soft opening on the new building. We've been busting our humps to try to get that ready. Ben is off in the corner here doing some work, making sure that the building's going to be ready for us to get into, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So we can't wait to share that with you guys. Again, we want to thank you. So peace, and have a great Thanksgiving. Bye.